So we're going to make some raspberry jam today. Very basic, very simple jam, not too fussy, not too complicated, because it's going to be used as a stuffing for something in a later video. I'll let you guess what that is. Okay, let's get into this one. I'm going to show you how to make a very simple jam indeed.
So we're going to need 500 grams of very nice raspberries like this that have been washed. Beautiful color. Put them into a deep saucepan. Then we're going to squeeze over about half a lemon. You just want the juice, no pips, so use a strainer or something like this. Put over 150 grams of berry sugar, caster sugar, just melts a bit better. And then 20 mils of amaretto. This is optional, but it gives you a lovely, a wonderful almondy flavor. Then we're gonna cut a vanilla pod down the middle, just like this. Use the back of a knife, run it down, scrape off the seeds, and put that into your jam mixture. If you can't find fresh vanilla, you can use the paste or essence at a pinch, but the fresh one is much nicer. Don't forget to put the pods in as well. We are building plenty flavor here, my friends. You can kind of do this with all kinds of fruit. Okay, now your base is ready. Get that on the stove. About a low to medium heat. You can give it a little stir at this point. As soon as it starts coming up to the boil, just mix the sugar around, and then the heat is going to basically break down these raspberries for you. They're just going to start collapsing onto each other. As soon as it starts coming up to the boil like this, you can give it one more little stir, and then it's going to go pretty quickly. It's just going to collapse on itself. And then we're going to let it simmer for about 7 to 9 minutes, somewhere along that mark. Now, this is going to bubble and splutter, so watch yourself. Do not burn your delicates. Be careful, my dear friends. The sea of raspberry jam can be quite treacherous unless navigated properly. Right, now give it a little stir so it's not sticking on the bottom. Let it bubble up, and then the color is going to reduce down to a lovely golden, dark ruby color, and we're going to temp it anywhere around 219 Fahrenheit. That's 103 degrees C. You can see it's just holding at 219. That's perfect. Turn it off the heat, let it sit for about 5 minutes or so, and then pour it into a sterilized jar. Make sure you stir it to get it all off the bottom. Very important your jar is sterilized. That way you will not get moldy jam. If you want to strain it and get rid of the seeds, you can do, but I quite like it like this. What a beautiful jam indeed.
Put a little cling film on it, put it in the fridge to set, and you got a lovely raspberry jam with a bit of vanilla and amaretto. Cheers. Smack.